الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الانعام ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بآياته إنه لا يفلح الظالمون. Translation: And who is more unjust evildoer than one who fabricates lies against Allah or denies His revealed verses? Surely such evildoers will never succeed. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the people of the book who recognized Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as they recognized their own sons. Even then, they rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and rejected the ayahs of Quran. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the people who either forge lies or fabricate lies against Allah or denies His revealed verses. And there are different interpretations of these ayahs as per Ibn Kathir. This is from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the people of book, that if I fabricate lies, ma'azallah, if I make these ayahs myself and associate them towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or you deny these ayahs after being sure that these are the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala given to you by the Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then both situations are indicative of the zulm, and those people who do zulm will never succeed. Meaning the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Quran and its ayahs are the verses from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if somebody is denying it, they are doing clear transgression in zulm, and they will never be successful. Some scholars have said that this ayah is about the polytheists of Makkah, as they are discussed in the next few ayahs. Wallahu a'lam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.